Zion, Collet, and Will. In second last episode which I saw, they were in a team for that uh, crown match, and what happened is Zion started attacking Will. So in the episode only, it was mentioned that it would have taken a lot of, like, it wasn't specifically mentioned, but from their reaction I can totally imagine and I can assume like that's the case only. It happens in real world. The anime world which I have seen is so close to reality. Like, it is as much as close to reality as it is far from reality. There's this different tweaks in that. That's the point I'm here making. By stating my life right now, it might not sound really good, but I have this conviction I'll make it good. So, what happened is Zion started attacking Will. Afterward, Collet stopped them, but what happened is he was using some really good kind of spells, which he attained through practice alone. Now, the thing I'm talking about is not magic, is not is not magic. It's not innate talent. It is about practice and effort. The like the I was walking on the roof, and whenever I walk here in solitude, I just have this really cool. And I'll not, from my perspective, it is cool. For everybody, it might not be. But these thoughts which came to my mind, it's really good. So the first thing is, I was talking about effort. I was talking about effort. He used some kind of spell which was mentioned in the show, that it would have taken a lot of effort for Zion to achieve that kind of level. Now the same thing applies to real life. Instead of using magic, but we have real kind of skills. We have communication skill. Right now for the first time I'm speaking in front of a camera, and you can see the lighting is not proper, even though there is this light and all. Like, i'm I don't know what to do, but yeah, it's everything everything I can relate to. The effort, I'm talking about only the effort part. Like, that's one that was talk like this is the topic of one episode, like a particular 5 minute scene, because the whole episode was of 23 minutes or so, I guess. But if I can understand and relate this particular thing in 5 minutes, it would have a lot more there to learn. It was so close to reality, yet so far from it. There are a hell lot of skills which I have to master, and the only thing which I can do is practice again and again and again and again and again and again and again to reach that level. Now, the first thing which I can do, just forget every other skill. Right now, what I want to do is I want to make money. Okay, so that's the part. Everyone wants to make a money. Everyone wants to make money. My direction is I want to be software engineer who can make, like, anything possible. A great designer, a like really good programmer, and a really good engineer as well. So the thing is, I just have to practice a lot and make a lot of efforts. How that particular thing, this particular thought applies to my life, I want to change it. Really, I've gotten a lot lazy, and that's not how I should be. I should be working, like, if I remove 8 hours for sleep from my 24, I'm not even 21. I'll be turning 21 in 2 months, or yeah, in 2 months I'll be turning 21. It means I have an unlimited amount. Like, I can't say unlimited because I'm time bounded, but I have there shouldn't be any reason, there shouldn't be any void of energy in me. I'm literally lazy. that that's what I'm observing lately about myself. So the thing which I'm going to do is I've seen somebody's video on YouTube, and he was talking about I only get 16 hours a day. So in that 16 hours, I have to be as productive as possible. I have to be as I have to extract as many things as possible from those 16 hours. I have to learn everything in that 16-hour window, and I have to do it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, so that it becomes my nature. And that's the thing I'm gonna do, I guess, from today only. I'll just when I'll go and I'll sit and study. And I wanted to make this video while sitting there in a good lighting with headphones on and with a good microphone. But if I'll do that, I can't speak this much, and I can't think about it. Like while sitting, I can just consume knowledge, let it what else let it be stored in my hard drive, so that when I'm walking around I can process it really well to get the clear definition of it. Then I'll start. Yeah, that's it. Like right now, whatever I had done for last 2 years, 2.5 years, it's gonna take a really good amount of effort to correct. And I'm like I'm not doing as much hard work as I should be doing. Not I have to do, I should be doing. So like now I understand that I get to do a lot of many things, and I'm just wasting it away by sleeping. And I don't want to do that. Just like Zion, I'm not relating to the main character, because main character in that world, Will, which is Will, has Will does not have magical powers. That doesn't work like in my reality. But what Zion did is he was having that magical power, and he matched with top-notch students uh, from his school or class or whatever I can call him. But he is an exceptional spellcaster or a sorcerer, I can say, a fire sorcerer. And I'm relating to that effort part, that with effort and deliberate practice I can achieve that. I can achieve anything and everything I want. I just have to make my mind, and I have made my mind. Like I get to made my mind I get to make my mind so that I can achieve that. And now that I have resolved, there's this word called Sankalp. It's not Sankalpas, it's Sankalp. And I have made my Sankalp, I have made my resolve. I'll achieve it, no questions asked. I'll achieve it no matter what.